Hi, my name is Tim with OS College, and in this video we're going to be looking at some easy quick access ways to change certain features of a paragraph in Microsoft Word Online. Microsoft Word Online can be used in just about any web browser on any operating system. So the first step is to select the paragraph which you want to change. I'm going to make some changes to the copy warned the little blind text. I'm going to left click on that and make sure you're in your home ribbon. Select it here. Go to these three dots, which is more options. Select paragraph options, and this paragraph dialog appears after you click paragraph options. And so I can do things like right align it, put an indentation before the text. I'm just going to put point 2, and I can put spacing. Let's put 10 points of spacing, and these are just a few adjustments that can be made through this paragraph dialog, and it's pretty easy to access. So after you're done, click OK, and you can see all the little adjustments that have been made to the paragraph I selected. This video has been a quick introduction to paragraph options and the paragraph dialog for Microsoft Word Online. Check out the other videos on this channel or the OS College website. OS College has videos, articles, and information about various Office suites, including Microsoft Word Online, LibreOffice, Google Docs, and OnlyOffice. And it has information about other applications as well. Thank you for watching.